Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make a Ghana braiding. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. For this hair, we are using this color 30 extension from Lush together with a half of 33. We mixed the two and brought them together. Sorry, we did that off camera because this video is quite a long one. We start by sectioning the hair into 4 places. This is for ponytail weaving. If you have to do all back, you don't need to do this. Okay, now is the time for our weaving, our Ghana weaving. Alright guys, in case you have this kind of my client, you can see her front hair. She's not the type that have enough hair on her front hair. Or will I say her front hair is not that strong. But in case you have this kind of my client, you need to be very careful the way you pick their front hair. Sure, understand, especially when picking with the extension direct, just like the way I'm doing right now. You need to be very careful when making their hair so that you won't cause more alopecia, to that person. When you have a client with a better front hair, you might consider picking her natural hair first before you start adding the extension. Understand? But if it's somebody like this type of my client, you need to try and manage it. Pick it first with the extension so that you can be able to hold it, but don't hold it tight. Okay. Alright, for the Ghana weaving, if you watch me closely, you will see the way I'm adding the extension. That is the attachments, one after the other. That is the way we do it when making Ghana weaving or Ghana braiding. Whichever way you can understand it better. You add the extension one by one, one after the other, just like this. Please, I would like you guys to watch this video to the end and watch very closely so that you will understand what I'm actually doing. Always remember to release your hand when picking the edges. Always remember to do that, please. Be friendly with your client's hair. Make sure you don't hold it too tight. I won't forget to thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you so much, my returning viewers. Thanks a lot for your support. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. If you have anything to say concerning this video, please don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section below. Just like I always say, your contribution means a lot to me. Also, don't forget to share this video. You never can tell who you might be doing a favor. Click on the notification bell below so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. I love you all, guys. I will leave you now to watch the rest of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.